Hello guys, thank you for joining me on this video. It's gonna be a quick one and I'm just gonna show you where you find all the information regarding your billing. So it's about Cloudways, and if you do not already have a Cloudways account, you're gonna see in the description I have provided a couple things there for you. The first one is going to be a link. This is a referral link. It's going to provide you for free trial, but as well over here you're going to find a referral code that's going to provide you with 10% off for the first 3 months. Okay, so let's just jump in here. I do not have any server running right now. We don't need to do that for what I'm going to show you. To check the billing, so basically this is if you have several server running, maybe you're starting and stopping different servers and you want to know how much you're going to be billed for the month. This is what you're going to do most of the time. So this is an account that I'm using just to make those different videos, but I have another account where I'm using a couple servers there and it doesn't really change. It's the same thing. So I know my billing every month, so I don't need to do whatever I'm showing you right now. But in case you want to check where you sit on your billing, this is what you're gonna do. So we just come up here, we're gonna go to account, and account we're just gonna go to rate time billing over here, and this is where it's gonna list for the current month. For the month that is over here, it's gonna list all the different servers that you have started or that you had, right? And basically what is the cost associated with that specific server, right? And the other thing is gonna show you over here is gonna show you basically what are the charges that you have up to this point, and it's gonna try to give you an estimate until the end of the month, right? So I think right now we're sitting around the 25th or something, and basically there is maybe another 5 days left until the end of the month there. So, but because I don't have any other server running, it's just giving me the same price. But if I had a server running, it was gonna let me know what would be my estimate until the end of the month. So quick video just for you to know where to check your billing, where you're sitting on your billing during the month. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below, and I will talk to you in another video.